Hello, everyone. Today, I will guide you through the account interaction feature. With this feature, we can have accounts perform activities and interact just like real people. For example, interacting with the newsfeed. I'll set up the scenario here. When setting up the scenario, I can choose options like reading notifications, browsing the newsfeed, viewing stories, watching videos, viewing friends, interacting with UIDs, interacting with groups, and even interacting with the kitchen feature. There are a lot of options. These features will help you manage your accounts to behave just like real users. When you use your accounts to automatically post or comment, Facebook won't flag them for repetitive actions or spam like behavior. That's it. Additionally, you can also build a set of accounts that perfectly match your target audience. Here, there's also a feature that lets you interact with the kitchen groups. That's so you can interact with your own kitchen groups as well as other groups. Accounts along with your target audience. For example, for kitchen groups based on keywords, this is how you define those accounts as ones interested in a specific topic. So when you interact and post content, your posts and groups will be recommended to similar users. These are features that help you nurture and build accounts. Additionally, you can select different scenarios. Right here, you can choose various scenarios. That's it. And when you go outside, you just need to select the accounts you want to interact with and then start. You can also add some behavioral information, set the language for this account, the productivity of other devices, and then get the information of this account to begin. The software will automatically open a series of accounts to start interacting and taking actions for you. Thank you for watching and see you again. You will find that the entire process is actually incredibly straightforward and very easy for anyone to complete without any trouble at all. It's just like the scenarios we've seen before where you tell it to read this notification, check this message, or interact with this information. Just leave it at home and it will automatically do everything for you. With just a few clicks, you can automatically nurture your account. In addition, there are many other features such as sending friend requests. In our UID extraction software, there are features that allow you to target potential customers. For example, members of a group, people who have interacted with a specific post, or friends of any given person. So from there, you just input the UIDs here, add those UIDs, and proceed to automatically send friend requests. When you send friend requests, whenever you post on your personal profile or in groups, your post will always be shown to those people first. This is a really great way for you to build high quality accounts. For example, here, take a moment to carefully scroll through all of the information provided right here.